It's me, Mindy Pack, and with me I have Dr. Reena Gupta. We are the founders of the Svara Project.
We are so excited that our next event is coming up and we want to tell you all about it.
3-day, full intensive, immersive conference coming your way. I cannot wait to learn! It's gonna be amazing!
So how? Courses.svaraproject.com. Tickets are live now. Early bird pricing goes away September 15th, so get your tickets today.
So, October 21st, 22nd, 23rd, the Singer Summit. Be there. I can't wait to see you all. It's gonna be amazing! Thanks
So
for coming.
excited. See you guys.